Hi guys, my name is Jillian Eisenhut, and for my theme for EDCI 270, I decided to make it about helping elementary school students learn about journaling and just start to enjoy it. So, I believe that elementary school journaling is so important just because it allows young children to express whatever feelings that they may be feeling at that certain time, and it can just teach them how to feel passionate about journaling or reading or any other kind of situation or skill that they're learning in school, which I think is so important to begin at a young age, because if you try to teach that to them at an older age, it just might not sink in as much as it does with younger children. So this helped me in elementary school to learn to love reading and writing, because I started this in about the third or fourth grade, when before in my other years, my teachers didn't have us journal as much, or if they did, it was very controlled and we had to write about certain things. But in my later years, I was able to freely express and write about whatever it was that I wanted to, so long as it was a certain length, and maybe it included things as trying to use like a semicolon or things like that, just a couple of little things that the teacher might check when reading through it. So I believe that this is so helpful for elementary schoolers to learn. So in my blog post, I did link an article that just kind of discusses the benefits of journaling for younger children. And this talks about things such as exploring and identifying emotions that maybe, they didn't even know that they had. And once, writing about these, situations that they may have in their life, that they have the freedom to write about, they get to explore that. And, it just lets out their anger, sadness, fear. Maybe, they write about something happy and they get to feel about that more. And this just helps them plan out, how to deal with their emotions in a situation that may arise later on in their life. So these are things that can be very difficult to teach younger children, but journaling, they can teach themselves how to learn to do this thing, or they can learn it with some help from their teachers, which I believe is so, so, so important. Thank you for listening.